Yes, today we are going to learn how to install a VS Code or Visual Studio Code in our computer. First, go to Google, type www.google.com, then type here VS Code download for Windows, then click here. If you are using Windows, you click here. If you are using DBT, Ubuntu, then click here. If you are using Mac OS, then click here. Now we are using Windows, so I am clicking here. If I click here, it will start downloading. After downloading, it will come into a folder called, go to this PC, then download option, then here your downloaded file will be there. Here it is our downloaded file. Then double click here, then select I accept option, then press next option, then it will show the path where it is installing, then press next, then press next, then create additional icons. Select this icon also, this icon also, this icon also, because to create a desktop icon, this is add open with a code action to Windows Explorer file context value, then add menu, add open with a code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu, then press next option, then press install, then it will be installed in your computer. After that you can use VS Code. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you one and all.